What are you doing?
Shh! Give me one more second, then you can do your announcy thingy. You didn't see anything. Hey, little cat, I got a present for ya.
Hear ye, hear ye! It's the Lil Sam and Cat Show! Now please rise for the Honorable Lil Sam and Lil Cat!
Yeehaw! Whoopee! Huh? Welcome back to the Lil Sam and Cat Show.
I can't believe you found the only living unicorn in the world.
Sure did, and 'cause I'm such a good friend, I let you have him while I rode in on this ordinary horse.
I think I'll name him Hornsley. I owe you big time, Lil Sam. I'll do anything. Just name it.
I was hoping you'd say that. You can start with items 1 through 200.
That's a lot of to-dos. But it's okay, 'cause I love my unicorn so much. Hornsley! I broke him!
Aw, cheer up, Puddin' Cup. Let's watch another Murph the Goat clip.
Okay.
You still gotta do all that stuff for me, though.
Yay! I do?
Hey guys, I'm on the stage hanging out with my boy Murph. Say hi to the people, Murph. Anyway, do you guys know that I speak goat now? Well, it took me a few weeks of working with a fancy dialect coach, but the good news is now I'm fluent. Watch. Oh, Murph, you're hilarious. Murph, you can't say things like that. I'm sorry if he offended any of you who speak goat. It won't happen again.
All right, little cat, introduce our next segment.
Okay, but first, I kinda got a problem.
Ugh, what?
It's a little embarrassing. Promise you won't laugh.
Yeah, sure, what is it?
I got this pimple on my arm that I can't reach to pop. It's affecting my self-esteem. Hey, you said you wouldn't laugh.
I didn't.
It's those laughing babies again.
Ding, dang it. I hate those babies.
I know. They just laugh at us.
Little Dice, it's time to boot some babies.
On it!
While Little Dice takes care of these trespassing toddlers, let's check out some better behaved babies from the set of Sam and Cat.
It's time for How We Did It, toddler climbing. First, we shoot most of the scene right up to here. And here is where it gets kinda crazy. On a completely different part of the set, we made the floor look like a climbing wall. And now, back to the basement where we have replaced the climbing wall with a green screen. Finally, everything goes to the people who put it all together. And that's how we did it.
Jump, 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 jump.
Whoa, why so jumpy?
I'm just so excited that there's a new mugshot on Sam and Cat this week.
Sweet, let's check it out.
Jump, jump, jump.
Okay, stop that. You're making me nauseous.
I can't.
Why not?
'Cause you glued springs to the bottom of my shoes.
Oh, yeah. I did do that, didn't I?
Ah!
Hey, whose mugshot is it this week?
Why, it was Amelia from Portland, Oregon. Good job, Amelia.
Ding dong.
Good show tonight, little cat.
You bet your baby booter. Before we go, let's watch Ariana make strange noises while not looking at the camera. Over and out.
Pasta and miso.
You said goodbye in food.